Luxury real estate, a world that breathes exclusivity, where opulence meets comfort, and where the sky is literally the limit. Today, we're on an odyssey through the grandeur of the 25 most expensive homes across the globe. At number 25, we have the illustrious Fleur de Lis Mansion in Los Angeles. Fashioned after a French chateau, it boasts 12 bedrooms, 15 bathrooms, and a grand ballroom that can accommodate 300 guests. Its royal elegance was sold for a staggering $102 million. On to number 24, the enchanting Ellison Estate in California. Spanning across 23 acres, this Japanese-style residence owned by Oracle co-founder Larry Ellison exudes tranquility with its 10 buildings, a man-made lake, and a tea house. This serene paradise is valued at an impressive $110 million. Number 23 takes us to the sunny beaches of Florida, home to the illustrious Casa Apava. This oceanfront estate spreads over 60,000 square feet, offering breathtaking views of the sea. Its estimated worth is an astounding $111 million. Next, at 22, we visit the historic Whittenhurst Mansion in London. As London's second-largest private residence, it offers a spectacular view of the city skyline from its 50 rooms. This British gem was purchased for an estimated $115 million. At 21, we have the spectacular Xanadu 2.0 in Washington. Owned by none other than Bill Gates, this high-tech modern marvel spans 66,000 square feet, embodying the perfect blend of luxury and technology. It's estimated to be worth a staggering $127 million. Number 20 brings us to the lavish Mountain Home Road Estate in California. This one-of-a-kind property features a vineyard, a 5,000 square foot pavilion, and a private lake. It's worth a jaw-dropping $135 million. The 19th spot is taken by the iconic Palazzo di Amore in Beverly Hills. This Mediterranean-style villa boasts a 25-acre vineyard, a 50-seat theater, and a discotheque. This epitome of luxury was sold for an astonishing $145 million. At number 18, we have the breathtaking Hearst Castle in California. Once home to newspaper magnate William Randolph Hearst, this estate features a whopping 90 rooms and a Roman temple. It's valued at a monumental $195 million. Number 17 takes us to the heart of New York, where we find the stunning Woolworth Penthouse. This triplex penthouse, located in the Woolworth Building, offers panoramic views of Manhattan. It was listed for an impressive $200 million. Moving on to number 16, we have the magnificent manor in Holmby Hills. Originally built for television producer Aaron Spelling, this 123-room mansion boasts a bowling alley, a beauty salon, and an orchard. It's valued at an enormous $200 million. As we count down the world's most expensive homes, we are not just talking about properties. We're speaking about symbols of status, the embodiment of success, and the epitome of luxury. These homes blend opulence with comfort, offering an unparalleled lifestyle. So, as we continue our journey, prepare to be amazed by the grandeur and extravagance that lie ahead. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll reveal the top 15 most expensive homes in the world.